How to redeem $30 Uber Eats discount code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. First up, I'm going to show you guys how can you get promo code for Uber Eats. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats promo code and then search for it. The data from website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website. Once you're on the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, $25 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to redeem, click on it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If the code is valid, copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website, log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, the code will be redeemed and you'll get the discount. So this is how you can easily redeem codes on Uber Eats. By applying the same process, you can easily redeem other codes as well. The process is exact same. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily redeem $30 Uber Eats discount code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.